friends you all are fine, enjoying your life. So friends, welcome back to your own YouTube channel, Goodbye English, where we learn English together and we improve together. We will level up our English and communication skills as well. As you know, guys, that my name is Shivani Gupta and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Why am I here? Why am I making this video? So that we can elevate our communication skills and you can say spoken English. So if you are interested friends in watching this video, please watch this video till the end. And if you are someone who is just who is new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and subscribe to this YouTube channel and just bear with me, listen to this video till the end. So friends, as you know that this is my day 7 and I have already taken up this challenge that on each and every day I'll speak on different topics so that I can improve my fluency or I can improve my spoken English along with the same process. So, friends, without wasting of further, let's talk about today's topic. But before I'll start with today's topic, I would like to make you the same humble request, friends, that if I make mistakes here and there, please forgive me and guide me and support me as well. That Shivani, you have made these mistakes in this video. We just hope that you will correct them, and you will improve yourself. And so the same thing I want for you as well, friends. Then listen to me very carefully, cautiously, pay attention towards each and every word, and try to elevate your fluency as well. If you want to speak along with me, you can speak, or if you want to write it down in your notebook, if you wanna, then please do it. And you can also listen to me carefully. That's all I want from your end, friends. I know it's not too much, or if it is too much that I am asking from you, please guys bear with me now. Bear with me. So friends, now I'm going to tell you the topic for the day is the importance of kindness in our daily life. The importance of what kindness in our daily life. As we all know, friends, what kindness mean to us. What is kindness? Simply the act of showing, you can say, respect, helping each other, supporting each other. This is what kindness means. But if I want to speak on this particular topic, how can I speak? How can I articulate my ideas, my thoughts on this particular topic? Suppose if someone gives you the same topic, or I know this is a bit intermediate level topic, or you can say even somewhat around sorry for the interruption, right, advanced level of as well. For me also, I'm just a beginner, so I'm just trying my communication skills or my spoken English so that I can speak on this particular topic. Although I've not prepared this topic, I'm just speaking in front of you. Please guys, bear with me although I'm saying this again and again, but friends, please bear with me and listen to me very carefully. So, friends, though this topic is extremely exciting and meaningful as well, as we all know, it's about kindness in our daily life or the importance of kindness in our daily life. We understand, friend, I don't know about you, what's your perception or what's your definition of kindness according to you, but in my point of view, according to my perspective, seriously, friends, kindness is not just about helping others, but it also about supporting each other or showing empathy or understanding other people who is around us, like who are around us, the people who are around us, how we are treating them, how we are showing this, you can say, respect, how we are trusting them. This is all about kindness. It includes being humble, being polite, non-judgmental attitude, being considerate, and being what? Being honest. So this is what kindness means to me. But if I would like to know what kindness mean to you guys. Please do let me know in the comment section that what do you understand by kindness, even in just broken words, even if you're unable to frame one line, even if you're unable to frame one word, like I would say the whole sentence or the whole paragraph. Please guys, type in the comment section and do let me know that Shivani, this is a insight or this is what we understand by kindness. Literally, friends, Although I'm just shooting these kind of videos so that we can elevate our communications, we can elevate our fluency and spoken English. But friends, I am like unable to think or notice that why my subscribers are not increasing, why people are not liking the content that I am uploading. Please guys, I want your guidance that why you are not liking the content and why the subscribers are not increasing, like whether it's a problem in my process, or there is something which is not going in an appropriate manner, or do you guys are not are you guys are not learning from the videos that I'm uploading. What's the issue, friends? Please do let me know in the comment section. And if you're not liking my content, please do let me know, that too. Shivani, we are not liking your content, and literally the content you are uploading is just like not meaning, I would say it's meaningless. So friends, I just, why am I saying this, that at least I would get to know that okay, I need to work here, I need to improve on this thing, and I need to rectify my mistakes. So I want your support, friends. I want your unwavering support. Unwavering means like which cannot be I would say which cannot be moved or which cannot be shaken by anything. So this is what, like, I want your unstoppable support, unwavering support each and every time. So friends, yeah, back to our topic. Although I don't know what I was talking about and then went in different direction. No, friends, actually, what I had just said to you, it's literally very important and very crucial for all of us, because we are giving our time. If even if you are listening to this video right now, you are giving your valuable time. Your time is very valuable to both of us, to all of us. So please watch and give your time carefully, and please do let me know, because my time is also precious just like yours. So at least if I'm shooting this video, I would get to know that okay, this is the outcome. Although I'm not seeking for the outcome, I'm just uploading this content because I feel like uploading it and I enjoy doing it. But on having said that, friends, always we seek for the outcome, for our consequences, or for our feedback. So this is what I'm asking from your side, that please let me know about the feedback, friends. So yeah, back to our topic. I have told you what kindness means to me. Now let us move to what are the importance of kindness. So friends, although I am not you can say divided into topic, but still, as we all know that in today's scenario, it's literally hard to find kindness in people or find kindness people around us, because everybody is busy in their own world, including me as well. Like we are just busy in our own life, in our own world, because we are doing lot many things. But having said that, friends, still there are some people who are carry kindness in their heart, who carries kindness in their heart. Like suppose they are just building, or you can say they are showing their kindness by providing support, by providing the guidance, by showing the empathy towards each other people. As we all know that the saying goes itself, what you sow so shall you reap. So this is the saying, जैसा करोगे वैसा बोओगे. ठीक है? What you sow so shall you reap, what we sow so shall I reap. So this is what, if we suppose if someone is starving, extremely hungry, and he comes to you and asking you for food, for providing a shelter or anything, but what will you do? Will you give him the food, or will you don't give him anything at all? We know we will provide that person food and with anything which we can good do for him, which we could do for him, right? So this is what kindness means. So providing a food to someone who is starving, or even listening to someone who is distressed in his or her own life, or like you can say bearing or going through with a lot many things in their life. So even if we are listening to that person, this is what also means kindness, that at least we are paying attention to what someone's thought, we are giving our time, we are listening to each other. It means that okay, if at least somebody is near to them. So this is what kindness means, friend. Now You know, friends, kindness is very important in our life, not just to, you can say, hold a particular relation, but also it shows that yeah, for this also kindness is very important. It strengthens our relationship. It gives us the positive positivity in our in anything, in each and every relation. And it mean, I would say, it gives us the kind of peace, the serenity, or the calm and composed life that we want for us. If we are, you can say, kind to others, people will kind to us as well. You know, are you getting my point? Suppose if you're helping someone, maybe some other day or the next day, some other people will help you out. So this is not about like you are doing it just for any kind of advantage, or you are doing it deliberately, but you are doing it with wholeheartedly, with your whole heart, with your whole, I would say, generosity and genuine purpose. So this is what friend kindness means to me. But having said that, I would like to know from your end as well, like what do you understand? What's your opinion about that? Friends, as you all know, that being a co-learner, for me, kindness is very important. Like right now, I'm making this video. So if I'll ask you the real feedback, you will give me. But if I'll shout at you, if I'll if I'll, I would say so many wrong things to each other, then this is not about kindness means. I need to be very honest, I need to be very polite, I need to be very supportive, I need to be very understandable that okay, this is what you want from me and this is what I want from you. No, it's not about wanting anything, but it's all about how we are seeing each other. So friends, as you all know, this is what kindness means. And we all know that if we provide the honest feedback to each other, it will boost up our confidence. It will make you feel safe and sound that okay, you are watching somebody's video by whom you are learning. And you know, honest feedback and honest learning always makes our life beautiful, and I would say more interesting. And by providing or by showing kindness, we can become a better individual among us, and we can at least grow well in our life, or you can say doing good things bring us the good deeds as well, bring us the good thing as well. So do good and get good is the thing, but still don't ask for anything, don't seek for anything. So friend, this is all about the kindness or the importance of kindness according to me. Although I don't know what I have said in this topic, but I have given you my I would say my whole opinion, my whole, I would say, the thing which I was feeling for this kindness, still I feel for kindness. So this is all about today's topic, friends. I just hope that you have enjoyed this topic. If yes, then give it a like, share it, and subscribe to your own YouTube channel, friends. Literally, I'm just requesting you, please do this, and I'll see you with another one just like this one. Till then, what, friends? Take care. Bye bye.